Hello everyone! In this video, we're going to look at the new features and changes available on Windows 11 build 25.169. In addition, this video will cover the changes from the last 5 other previews since our last video, including build 25.140 through 25.163. Because Microsoft hasn't added too many things, we're rounding up all these changes into one video. Also, remember that these changes are not tied to any specific release of Windows 11. However, some of them are expected to arrive with version 22H2. Some other features might drop as they're ready, and some others may arrive with the next version of Windows, which could release in 2024. Okay, here's what's new on Windows 11 build 25.169. In this settings app, more specifically in the accounts section, in addition to showing the Microsoft 365 subscription information, the page will now also show details about the OneDrive standalone subscription information. You will see the OneDrive storage usage, billing, and payment method details as part of the information. On privacy and security, under App Permissions, each of the settings will not include a recent activity drop-down to see which apps have been accessed that particular feature in the last 7 days. In addition, the Settings app now supports managing apps previously only supported on Control Panel. This includes the ability to uninstall apps that have the interdependencies and repair and modify Win32 apps. On Windows 11, build 25.169, the suggested actions feature, as you can see right here, the feature that brings up this inline menu to create calendar events or make phone calls, it's not available in the United States, Canada, and Mexico. If you don't want to use the feature, you can always disable it by opening Settings and then on System, open Clipboard, and in here, just turn off the suggested actions toggle switch. Also, in the Settings app, I forgot to mention that on the personalization settings, Microsoft is now adding a new option that allows you to enable Windows Spotlight by just selecting this option that has like a camera icon on the top right, and you see different wallpapers as part of the icon. You just select that, and that will turn on the Spotlight feature for the desktop. Of course, you can always go to Background and then select the Windows Spotlight feature. Since we're on the background page, let's also talk about stickers. The stickers, it's a new feature that Microsoft is trying out to make the desktop a little more fun by giving you the ability to add different stickers to the desktop that they will apply to the wallpaper, and they will stay on the desktop even if you switch the background image. So to enable stickers on Windows 11, you have to be using the Windows Spotlight feature or the Pictures option. Then select the background that you want to use, and then just click the Add Stickers button. When you open the experience, you will see that the taskbar and anything else will disappear from the desktop, and then you will see at the top an option to open the stickers panel where you can search for different stickers, or you can just scroll down and select the sticker that you want to add. Once you select it, you can drag it around, you can change the size, and you can click this button to delete it. You can add as many stickers as you want. And then when you're finished adding all the stickers, just click the close button, and that will apply the settings to the background. And as you can see, you can't move them. They will stay permanent in the area that you selected. Now, if you want to add more or delete stickers, you can just right click on the desktop and then just select this option. Then either add more stickers or delete those that you don't want anymore. To disable the feature, just delete them all. And when you're done, click the close button. And that was a closer look at stickers on Windows 11. Also, I just wanted to point out that this feature is also currently available on the beta version of version 22H2. In the last 6 previews of Windows 11 through the dev channel, Microsoft has also been working on a few changes for the taskbar. First, the company is now testing a new search interface on the taskbar, as you can see right here, and that basically brings back the search box that we used to see on Windows 11. When you click it, it will open the search experience to do your normal search on Windows 11. You also notice that I placed a lot of icons on the taskbar, and I did that on purpose to enable the new Taskbar Overflow feature. And that means that when you place a lot of icons on the desktop and you don't have any more room, you will now see a new button that appears on the bottom right of the screen where you can click, and that will open the overflow menu with the items that the system is not able to display because of the limited space on the taskbar. Of course, this is a work in progress. As you can see in my installation, when I click the button, the overflow appears on the other side of the screen, as you can see right here. That should technically appear right above the button. It is important to note that the taskbar overflow will only appear automatically when the system can no longer show any more icons on the taskbar. As part of the widgets experience, you will now see more dynamic content on the taskbar notification badge. Also, when you open the widgets dashboard, the banner will appear at the top of the board, providing more information on what triggered that notification badge. On build 25169, Windows 11 comes with a new version of File Explorer that brings 2 new improvements to file sharing. The first one is that when you're using nearby sharing, the share interface will now use UDP and Bluetooth to discover even more devices, including your desktop computers throughout the private network. So as you can see right here, it's identifying 2 other computers in the network that allows you to share that file with other computers. Also, if you share a local file from File Explorer and other apps that uses the search interface, you can now choose the OneDrive option as a target to directly upload the file to the cloud to share it, along with access to control the options. Finally, Windows 11 also makes the legacy local administrator password solution, or LAPS, a native part of the system, allowing you to manage LAPS products. For example, you can extend the Active Directory schema, add permissions on the computer organization unit, add new LAPS group policy objects, and more. And the DNS over TLS testing is not available for Windows DNS client query protection. The protocol is available in addition to the DNS over HTTPS, which is already supported in Windows 11 and on Windows Server 2022. And that's it. Those were pretty much all the new features and changes available on the last 6 previews of Windows 11 available through the dev channel. Remember to like the video, leave your comments, subscribe to the channel if you haven't done that yet, and I just hope this video was informative for you, and I would like to thank you for viewing.